you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Call of Duty, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the audio lag effectively. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the audio settings menu and verify that the output device is set to the correct option, whether it's speakers or headphones. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use a driver update tool to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio delay. Some games have an option to adjust audio delay. Look for any settings related to audio sync or delay in the game's audio settings and make adjustments as necessary. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve audio issues. Close the game and restart your console or PC to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 5. Check for game updates. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs, including audio desync issues. Check for updates and install them if available. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio desync issues in Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.